Hello everyone and welcome back here to start a small garden, and today I'm excited to share with you the 11 winter vegetables that you can grow at home if you're beginners or want to try to grow this season. So the first one we have cabbage. So cabbage is really a very easy to grow vegetables. You can grow it for like 90 days. Foggy and beautiful winter season, or really it's a cold hardy plants. It can stand a really cold temperatures, so it's really amazing to grow this plant this winter. Here we're going to harvest the one cabbage. Let's see, it's really mature already. It's hard already, and it's open. It's almost like a flower itself. And the second one is kale. We do have many different kinds of kale. So I have a curly kale here, and I like a dwarf blue Scotch kale. And then they are really very easy to grow, guys. And if you want to grow this type of vegetables, I have a video there specific for growing kale. They are really fast growing to grow this winter. And this one, I think this is a lacinato kale. They are have a different shapes of leaves, but you may want to try. This one is a red Russian kale. And the second one we have mustard. This is really a very prolific vegetables. You can grow them in spring, the summer, and fall as well. But you can try. Depends where you are right now in the world or your location. This is, I believe, a Florida big leaf mustards. They are really big mustard plant, and it's really worth growing, especially if you have a small space, because you don't have to plant so many. You can just plant one, and then it's really have big leaves and big harvest already. And you can try also growing like spring mustards or red mustard. And the second one we have here some radishes. Radishes one of the fast growing vegetables you can try this winter. I have a specific one video there for you if you want to try to grow them, how to grow radish. If you like to try this winter, you can harvest the greens as well as the roots. They're all edibles, and they are really very easy to grow. And I have here harvesting them. They can grow really 30 days, and you can cook them if you don't like to eat them raw. So they are very fast growing leafy vegetables. So next we have here is Swiss chards. Now you all know this Swiss chards for very leafy and many leaves, very beautiful greens. So there are different kinds of Swiss chards as well, like Fort Hook Swiss chards. So we have here planting along with our radishes and some peas. The next one is beets. So this is amazing vegetables to try or grow because they can be planted in pots or in ground. So you can harvest the leaves if you don't want to harvest yet, or you want them to lengthen their growing season. So they're like common again vegetables. So up here I put them in a big pot and like plant them in groups. So it's amazing. This is a really beautiful winter vegetables. The next one is turnips. So it's similar with other root vegetables. You can harvest the leaves as well, saute them in many different dishes. It comes with different varieties and shapes of leaves. You can try different kinds of purple top turnips or golden ball. These are many different beautiful vegetables. Next is collards. Collards are really very meaty leaves. winter vegetables. They can stand many different seasons. I have tried planting them in spring, summer, fall, and also winter. They are very amazing vegetables. And the next one is onions. So this I've tried green onions. I planted nearby the peas. So they're really very good companion plant with leafy greens. I had some tried planting chives as well. And then for onions or leeks, I like to plant it around the garden because they help with the pests, and as well as really does not take up a lot of space and very easy to grow if you have a small space, garden or backyard garden. So I have here is this garlic planted this winter, and as you can see guys, it's already growing. And the next one is bok choy. This is like Asian vegetables. Bok choy also they call it, or tatsoi. Yeah, they are very easy to grow. If you have a mild winter, you can grow them. They will not bolt. So this is what it's like when they grow. Very, really, you can eat them raw or saute it. Very beautiful green leaves. The next one is one of my favorites, peas. Very easy. They're the same with other vegetables. They do have many different varieties. And I do have a cascadia, which is really very prolific peas, and they are really great vegetables. So there you guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more videos, you can check out some playlists there for you. There are many vegetables to try. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you again next time. Bye.